Captain! No! Get down here! Hey.
What?
You don't bark this early.
Who? Roof.
What did I just say? You don't bark this early.
Roof.
No, no.
Why you always want to eat other people's food?